Hello there everyone. In this video we will learn 5 different methods to create wavy text in Adobe Illustrator. After learning these 5 methods, we're gonna create a fun and a little bit more complex design. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first I need to write something. Select the type tool and write anything. I'll write wavy. Right now it's very small, we need to make it bigger. Select the selection tool and hold Alt or Option and Shift and drag by clicking the left mouse button to make it bigger from the center and at the same time maintain the proportion. If we just click and drag, then the text will be distorted. Let's change the font. You can do it from the character panel. You can find it in Window, Type, Character. You can also change it from the top. Now select any font you like. First we'll be using the Warp tool. If you right click in the Width tool here, you will find the Warp tool. By default, it hides under the Width tool. If you double click the Warp tool icon, you will see more options. Let's keep them as it is. I want to change the brush size of this Warp tool. You can do it by holding the Alt or Option and Shift and by dragging the left mouse button. Now click the text to warp it. But wait, it's not working. We need to first expand it. You can go to Type and select Create Outlines, or you can go to Object and select Expand. Hit OK to expand it. Now you can warp it however you want. It's not exactly a wavy effect, but you can create something similar effect with this tool. Okay, let's go to the second tool or effect. I'm pressing Ctrl Command and Z to undo. Next we'll go to Effect, Warp. You will find few options here. You can also find them from Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Warp. You can select one and move the up or down arrow key to see a preview of each effect. But I will go with the flag one. We can also change the sliders to fine tune it. For the next effect, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Twist. Change the angle to get a wavy effect. You can hold Shift and then click so it will increase by 10. The next effect is the most used effect for creating wavy text. Go to Object, Envelope Distort, and this time select Make with Mesh. When you select it, you will see this box with rows and columns. These rows and columns work like a breaking point. You can move left, right, or up and down from these points. Let's go with 4 rows and 4 columns. Now with the direct selection tool, you can select a row or a column and use the arrow keys to move it. I'm pressing the right arrow key to move only those selected areas to the right. Similarly, I will select these points and move it to the left. Okay, the last one I will talk about is the mesh tool. It's not actually for text, but I wanna show you something. When you click, you will see a row and a column is created. Yes, you can move it, but you can also change the color of that particular point. Suppose I will select this point here. Now I can change the color of that point. This way you can create some interesting design or art. For example, I created this shampoo tube with this mesh tool. We learned 5 methods to create wavy text. Now let's do something fun. Let's delete this one. Now I will write just O. I will select the font Monotone. It's an interesting font, isn't it? Expand it like before. Now go to Effect, 3D and Materials and select the old 3D effect. Make the depth 0 and I'll go something for this kind of view. Hit OK when you are satisfied. Now go to Object and select Expand Appearance. Now again go to Object, Envelope Distort and Make with Mesh. For this one, 4 rows and 4 columns will do. With the direct selection tool, I'll try to give it a distorted wavy look. We can just play with this to see what suits best to you. Now if you want to change the color, then you need to again expand it. Let's pick a red color. We can also add shadows here. Press Ctrl Command and C to copy and Ctrl Command and F to paste in front or paste in place. Now select the bottom one from the layers panel. For this one, I will select a darker color. Then with the down arrow key, move it downward so that it looks like shadows. You can again use the Make with Mesh to customize the shadows. Something like this will do. You can also add a rectangle for the background. So this is how you can create wavy text in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you learned something new from this video. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.